I'm on my break from work right now, man. And I got the opportunity again to talk with you. I've been on my break for half an hour and I've done my daily steps. And now I got to sit down and enjoy my snack. It's just cottage cheese with almonds, 30 grams of cottage cheese, of protein actually, and 15 grams of almonds. This is a snack. I usually have it between my breaks. And what I want you to learn from this is that, you know, most men, they think they don't have time to change their body. They think they don't have time to get lean and lose weight and build muscles. They keep finding excuses and complicate them life. But I found it only 3 big fucking excuses, which I had back in the day as well. One, it was that I don't have time. But you always have time. I'm gonna give you an example myself. I'm working every single week 50 hours. I still got time to do my daily steps. I still got time to go and train. I still have time to fucking eat healthy and to prepare my meals with the day before, so can actually don't involve my emotions into my day and to say I'm gonna grab, because I'm surrounded by food every single day because I'm a chef. I'm surrounded by food and I'm gonna grab just my instinct, what my instinct is telling me to do. No, bro, I'm coming structured for the day. I know what I'm gonna eat. I know how much I'm gonna eat, and that's it. I know my macros, and simple as that. And second excuse, men, they are doing to not get in shape, they say it's complicated. But it's fucking not complicated at all. The same, I used to believe that it's complicated, but I was using these words like complicated just for me to not take the action, because it was too complicated. It's not for me. This is who I am. I am fat and that's it. I don't have muscles because it's too complicated. It's not for me. It's about the genetic. It's about the steroids. So I'm not gonna fucking get into it. I'll be fat for the rest of my life. I'm gonna be overweight because that's how I was and that's how I am and that's how I'm gonna be, because it's complicated and I'm not gonna invest in myself and learn how to do it properly. This was my problem, and this is your problem as well. You are saying to yourself that it's complicated, but it's not. It's easy. You just need structure around your lifestyle. That's all you need. And the third excuse, which most people they make for themselves to not change, is they're saying and lying to themselves that my job is different. My job is different, so people, they don't understand me. My job is so complicated and demands so much time and effort physically that I cannot change. Man, I had the same belief. I swear to you, I'm not gonna fucking lie to you. I had the same belief back in the day. Saying that my job is different. I am a chef. I'm surrounded by food. I'm surrounded by sweets, by everything you could imagine, and I still fucking lost so many kilograms and I built muscles on top of it. And I had this belief as well that my job is different and I cannot change. But I've done it. And trust me, man, there are men there, they are working harder than you, harder than me, and still look better than you. There are men there, which they have different job than you, which they're working harder than you. And obviously they look better than you. Just because they break this limiting belief that my job is different. They eliminate these 3 excuses. Time, complicated, and my job is different. You have to go deep into these 3 excuses and found simple solutions which you can follow. I give you right now practical advice, yeah? Practical, bro, practical. I'm in my break. I got my snack. I got a protein shake. I've done my steps in my break instead of to stay on my phone and scroll like an idiot. And then going back to work with my brain fried and more tired than before going my break. These are practical advices which you can follow. I'm not telling you this from in front of my computer. I'm telling you from my car because I'm still on my break. I'm gonna go in 5 minutes. It's practical advice which you can follow. And that's how I stay lean. That's how I build muscles. By following simple protocols, by following simple structure which I built for myself. It's hard until you build the habits, obviously. Because your mind is still confused probably. It's still overwhelmed. But take it step by step. Prepare for yourself the meals. This is the first step. Prepare for yourself the healthy meals. You don't have to count your calories yet, but prepare for yourself in advance with some healthy meals, whole food. And you'll see a big difference because your mind and your body, once you do the change, it's gonna crave more and more food. The same with sugar. If you give sugar to your body, your insulin spike and want and crave more sugar for it. Crave more sugar. The same with whole foods. If you eliminate sugar and give to your body healthy foods non-stop, continuously, you're gonna crave more and more. You're gonna become a habit for yourself, and you'll see how the fat is gonna drop and you're gonna build muscles because you'll have to train as well. Simple as that. Practical habits, bro. Practical advice which you can follow. Now I'm going to finish my snack. Then I'm going back to work. I will have a long shift today, a full shift. Probably I'm going to finish late in the night. But it's not a problem. This is my job. This is what I love doing. I love cooking. I don't want to complicate my meals. I want to keep it simple, easy to follow. I don't want to think about, changing non-stop the meals. I want to keep it simple, repeatable meals. And that's it. No complicated. Nothing complicated. Because I realize, if you give to your body different type of foods every single week, and you teach it in a way of having sweets here and there, especially when you want to get really lean, you don't want to have margins of error. So you want to have simple meals, boring meals which you can follow easily and to sustain your progress. That's all you need, and this is going to be your goal as well in one point. If you just take action and stop making that excuses for your future self